Good evening everyone. Today we are going to discussion about class 7 chapter 2 and subject is social science and geography. And I have some question about chapter 2 geographic, and I think it will be we discussion here. Let's start it now. The first question is which gas is most abundant in the atmosphere? Option was oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. Answer will be nitrogen. Answer will be nitrogen. So nitrogen is 78% in the atmosphere. Here is 78%. How many percent? 78% in the atmosphere. Now moving on to question number 2. Which layer of the atmosphere is closest to the earth? Which layer atmosphere is closest to the earth? Answer: option 1 given stratosphere, option B is mesosphere, option C is troposphere, and option D is thermosphere. The answer will be C, troposphere. Okay, troposphere is the closest layer of the atmosphere. In atmosphere there is 5 layer. Okay, the first one is troposphere, second is stratosphere, third is mesosphere, and fourth is thermosphere, and another is exosphere. Okay, so you can see there is 5 layer. The closest layer is the troposphere. Now moving on to question number 3. What is given? What is the main source of heat for the earth? What is the main source for heat for the earth? Option A moon, option B star, option C sun, option D cloud. The answer will be C. Sun is the main source for heat for the earth. Now moving on to another question is here. What is the question given? Which instrument used to measure temperature? Which instrument used to measure temperature? Answer: option A is given barometer, option B is given thermometer, option C is rain gauge, option D is wind vane. So what will be answer? Answer will be B, thermometer. Okay, thermometer is an instrument which help to measure temperature. Now moving on to another question. What is given? Another question. What do we call the condition of atmosphere at a particular place and time? What do we say? Option 1 is climate, option B is weather, and option C is season, and option D is humidity. Answer will be B, weather. So condition of the atmosphere, a particular place and time is called weather. Now moving on to question number, fill in the blank. What is given? The first question given, a condition of the atmosphere, a particular place and time is called weather. Now few minutes after you study it, that is weather. Okay, next question, the main source of heat and light the earth is called sun. Okay, next, an instrument used to measure temperature is called thermometer. Next, a blank of air surrounding earth is called atmosphere. A blanket of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Now the amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. The amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere is humidity. Now next question, what is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at particular time, particular hour to hour, and particular day to day. So it means hour to hour, day to day. The condition of atmosphere is knowing weather. Okay. Now moving to another question. What is climate? Climate is the average weather condition, place or long period. It is a long period of a certain area, a certain place. Okay, you can say climate. Now moving on to question number, what is temperature? Temperature tell us hotness and coldness the air. Hotness and coldness is knowing temperature. Now moving on to question number 8. What is humidity? Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. The humidity is the water vapor in the air in the atmosphere, it is in, you can say, humidity. Okay. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the layer of air surrounding the earth. The layer of air surrounding the earth. The blanket air. Okay, that is, you can say, atmosphere. What is wind? Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. Now moving the question number another. What is rainfall? Rainfall are water that fell from cloud to earth. Rainfall means raining. Okay, which is fell from cloud to earth. Now moving the question number another. What is air pressure? Air pressure is the force exerted by the weight of air. That we can say weight of air. The pressure is knowing air pressure. What is the atmosphere? Atmosphere is a layer of the gas surrounding the earth. Layer of the gas surrounding the earth. It is a atmosphere is the layer of the gases surrounding the earth. It contains gas like nitrogen and oxygen. It support life on the earth. It support life on earth. Atmosphere, there is 5 layer, and in the atmosphere layer, in the atmosphere there is gases surrounding on the earth, different type of gases. It may be nitrogen, it may be oxygen, and atmosphere is a support. It is support of life on the earth. It is support to human being also. Now moving on the question number. What is air pressure? Air pressure is the force exerted by the weight of air. You can say air pressure means weight of air, different place, different, okay, varied from place to place. The weight of air is varied from place to place, and it affect wind and weather. It affect wind and weather. Now moving on the question number. What is humidity? Humidity means the amount of water vapor in the air. Water vapor in the air. High humidity make air feel moisture. High humidity air feel make moistures. It is important for cloud formation and rainfall. Okay. Now moving the question another. What is rainfall? We can say rainfall is water that fell from cloud to the earth. It is a from perception. Rainfall provide water from plants, animals, and people. What is wind? Wind is moving air. It moves from area high pressure to low pressure. Wind influence the weather of place. So these are the questions which I was taken, and I think it will be help for you for your examination, for your any test. You have to see the question, how it question and answer, and try to write everything on your notebook. Thank you very much to everyone.